Once you have completed the project or you have done the project, you can archive it in Agile. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can archive the project to keep your workspace clean. So to archive the projects, let's archive this project. And I can go to actions for this project and click on archive button. It will ask for confirmation if I want to archive this project or not, and then I can archive the project. Now if I want to see the archived projects, I can go to these three dots, click on these three dots and click on view archive button. This archived projects page will show me all the projects that I have archived. I have two options for the projects here. I can restore them or I can delete them. If I want to restore the project, I can click on this restore button and this project will be restored. But if I want to delete the project permanently, I can click on this delete button and I will click on the yes deleted button and this project will be deleted permanently and I will not be able to recover this project. So this is how you archive, restore and delete projects in Agile. Thank you so much.